I see the signal. Can you find our house now? Yes, I know exactly where you are.
Dad, the rain is very strong tonight.
Yes, Ethan, but do not worry. We are safe together.
What should we do now? Mom, look at the water outside. Yes, Lily, we need to stay together. Can we go upstairs? Dad, the lights are gone.
It is okay, Lily. I have the flashlight.
I will stay right beside you. Mom, what does the alert say? It says the rain may continue for a long time. Then we should be ready. Mom, I can see the school from here. Yes, the school may be an important safe place. Maybe someone there can help.
Hello? Can you hear me? Yes, I see your flashlight. Thank you. My family is safe upstairs. The school is on higher ground. Can we take my family there? Yes, we will use the safest route.
Ethan, you found a flashlight. Yes, it still works. Let's keep it ready.
Are you Mr. Wilson?
Yes, I keep the school safe. We may need your help.
What is this old map?
It shows the safest route
To the hillside.
that could help our family.
Is this a drainage tunnel? Yes, but it has a safe emergency exit. Then we have another route.
Do we have everything we need?
We have water, blankets, and the flashlight.
Good, we are ready.
Ethan, what if we use the light? You mean to show the rescue boat where we are? Yes, that may help.
I see the signal. Can you find our house now? Yes, I know exactly where you are.
Jake, are we going to the school?
Yes, the school is our safe meeting place.
Thank you for helping us.
This is the tunnel. The exit is just ahead. Then we can guide the family safely.
We will follow the rescue team.
I understand, Dad.
Good. Staying calm helps everyone.
Is the rope ready? Yes, everything is secure. Then we are ready.
Mom, I can see the school.
Yes, we are getting closer.
I feel much better now.
Thank you for opening the school.
You are welcome, Emily.
This place feels safe.
Mr. Wilson, I hear something. Ooh,
That is the rescue team.
they know where we are.
Dad, the rain is getting lighter. Yes,
The storm is slowly passing.
we are going to be okay.
The latest update is good news.
What does it say?
The water level is going down.
Ethan, look at the sky. It is beautiful. The storm is finally over. Mr. Wilson, why did you keep this map?
Because being prepared can help people.
I will remember that.
We were lucky to have good people helping us.
Yes, everyone worked together. That is what makes a community strong.
Jake,
You were very brave.
thank you, Ethan.
Thank you, Ethan.
I want to help people too.
Dad, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
We should stay calm and help each other. Mom, everything looks different this morning. A new morning means a new beginning. I will always remember what we learned. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more slow English stories.
Hi everyone, moral of the story, stay calm, help others and remember that teamwork makes difficult times easier. Thanks for watching.